crashed.
Yeah, but we crashed on Genosha!
It seems our flight was a little more than the X-chumps could handle.
Ooh, are they dead? Let's gently poke the furry one and find out. Oh, Wolvie, time to wake up. Rise and shine, Stubby. Wake up. Up and at 'em. Fine, then. That's for all the clown jokes. That's for never calling just to say hi. That's because I get aroused when I slap people. That's for all the furry midgets in the world. That's because I feel like it. Why won't you wake up? Wake up! That's because I like slapping fleshy things with this hand. That's for being in more comics than me. That's for making me love you. That's for making me hate you. That's for never taking us to the prom. That's for always working late. That's for being short. That's for stabbing me in the heart. Literally. That's for never letting me fly the Blackbird except when I crashed it. That's for being the worst wingman in bromance histories. That's for all the hot gamer girls out there. Hey, call me. That's for being a total douche. That's for never washing the dishes. That's for last year's white elephant gift. Who wants a white elephant? And finally, that's because the whole setup just added 5 minutes of bonus play to the most awesome game ever devised by mutant or man. I guess he's not waking up.
Curious.
Looks like we're flying solo, boys. It's as if the next section was designed with that in mind. Screw the X-Men! Wow, is that a Sentinel? Sure is. Impressive, right?
You can see how they could destroy this entire island, populated with powerful mutants.
Here comes Sinister's lackeys. Guess they saw our Blackbird's, landing?
Wasn't exactly sudden.
What, mustard with that? What the hell was that? Seriously, what is that? Aw, what'd I ever do to you? Oh, right. It's getting closer. Is it poking out the other side? I can't. Slices for just $9.99. Oh man, zoom in on Tubbo up there. Stop dropping my camera, player. Thing was expensive. Now get up. Let the game.
Holy shit, that guy is big.
Dude, is your primary means of transportation belly flops? That can't be efficient. What? Too much? Can take a metric ton of punishment.
Hey, player, did you buy anything that might hit harder?
How many bullets are in your head so far? Ah, a lot of ammo. Ooh, that sounded like boom. Who are you supposed to be? What? I'm out of ammo. Now these should come in handy. Look at me when I'm talking to you. You picked the wrong time to get tough, tons of fun. Expected.
If I cut you, do you not bleed?
What do you think? Sharp, right? You're no match. Can't teleport yet. Maybe now. Now that was a firefight. Where are we anyway?
The island of Genosha.
I'm pretty sure it's some kind of timeshare for mutants.
Or the site of one of the worst mutant massacres in history.
Yeah, no. I'm sticking with timeshare. Look, more people that want us dead. Ooh, it gains? That means we're headed in the right direction. See these? These are bullets. Need these. No, it'll hurt if I swallow. I aim because I care. Consider that a dose of medicine. bullets mine! Cable? Hey, man out of time. What are you doing here?
We haven't seen him since our run in the comics together.
Oh, I love reunions.
Wade, I need you to listen closely. I've time traveled from the future to bring you a dire warning about...
Oh, God, here he goes again. He's not here 10 seconds before he starts boring us with his dire warning from the future crap.
Sinister has knocked out the X-Men by broadcasting...
We may want to pay attention. This could explain a critical plot point.
The survival of Earth entirely depends on... which all hinges on you, Wade. Now here's the critical part.
It's so boring. Make it stop.
Damn it, Wade!